Want to share your screen during a FaceTime call on your iPhone, whether you're collaborating on a project or guiding someone through a task? Screen sharing makes it easy to show others what's on your device. Follow this guide to learn how to share your screen during a FaceTime call. Solution 1. Share your screen on FaceTime. Here's how you can share your screen while on a FaceTime call. Start a FaceTime call with the person or group you want to share your screen with. Once connected, tap on the screen share icon, a rectangle with a person inside. From the FaceTime menu, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation to start sharing your screen. Tap Share My Screen. Your screen will now be visible to other participants. You can navigate through apps, websites, or anything else you want to show. To stop sharing, tap the screen share icon again. Solution 2. Tips for a smooth screen sharing experience. To ensure a smooth experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Notify the other person when you start and stop sharing. Be aware that everything on your screen will be visible, so close any private apps or content beforehand. By following these steps, you can easily share your screen on FaceTime calls and collaborate with others in real time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.